everybody, it's Neil, and I have one of those sonicare brushes, and man, they're expensive, so I figured I'd try out one of the less expensive versions from Amazon and see how it looks. This one here says, I don't know, something rechargeable sonicare. Looks like it's got all these different things for it. Boy, if I can open it up, I'll show you guys what it looks like and we can check it out. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So it looks like it comes with, it comes with a whole bunch of different heads. Holy mackerel. Okay, there's everything out of the box. So we have the toothbrush here. Kind of cute little gold looking thing. Ooh, I can feel it. Oh, it does work. Oh, if you push it a second time, it vibrates a lot. This actually feels just like my sonicare one. Super hot. Yeah. Don't. Oh, the more you can pulse it and do all sorts of different things. Pretty cool. So that's what that looks like. And I guess you hold it down and turn it off. And then it comes with the one head on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess 8 more heads. So you got a whole bunch of different heads. And here's the information for it. Let's see, how would you even recharge this thing? It says it's rechargeable. Looks like this comes out here. Oh, right. Oh, look at that. It comes with its own little USB thing right built into it. So all you do is just plug it into your little nugget. Very cool. And then it just sticks right there and you put the cap on it. So that's really nice. So it just comes with everything it needs to recharge. That's super convenient. So I'm gonna say this is awesome. Oh, it turns on. I forgot to screw it on. And there we go. Now it's screwed back together again. Very cool. Thumbs up from me. Very nice. I like it. So if you want to pick one of these up, links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.